Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Trading Nomad is here with you. I'm actually in Michigan today, getting ready to head out to the pool, but I placed a trade literally minutes ago. You can see it here on the screen, AUD-JPY sell trade. I actually also announced this inside of the free Telegram group. Here it is, AUD-JPY sell trade just placed. And I'm looking at entering NZD USD. Maybe a little bit later. I might even do it right on this video. I'm looking at it, and we can take a look at the chart real quick. It's ready to pull back. And even if it's not, we'll mathematically scale into it, and it will be a profitable trade. Let's take a look. And I don't know why I feel like I just said NZD JPY. NZD USD. New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. I believe we're looking at the daily chart here. It has pushed up. It's ready to come down. I'm going to enter. And in fact, what I will do is I will show you how much control I have over all of this stuff. And we will enter this trade on this video. Now, here's how it works. That trade that I gave away here, AUD-JPY sell trade, you can see the details. What I do is I just enter the trade. I'm so confident with my system that it's either going to do one of two things. Don't laugh. Just being honest with you. It's either going to go in the direction that I want, and when we do sell trade, so it's going to come down, or it's going to push against us a little bit. That's it. I don't really care what it does. I just have my rules. If it pushed against us, I will most likely scale in to another trade. And those two trades, in that theoretical concept there, will be what's called a basket of trades, and I'll profit. It's just how it works. Speaking of profit, let's go look at the history. I was not in a trade in about the last 24 hours. This trade closed. We were in an NZD-JPY trade. I took the first trade. You can see at the bottom there, $298 negative, but over $1,000 positive, so there's no loss there. It's a net profit of $681.10. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's summer months. I'm not trading a lot, mostly because I'm just, like I said earlier, headed out to the pool and living my life, right? Traveling full time. I'm spending the summer in the upper Midwest. Currently in Michigan right now. So the whole point behind this is to place a trade based off of my intuition, which is always right. How is that possible? Follow along and you'll see. Like, you know, it's one thing to say it. It's another thing to prove it. So I post a video on a daily basis. And if you go to thetradingnomad.com, you get access to my free Telegram channel. And these are not signals. These are trade alerts. You might call them trade setups. You do what you want with it. I'm entering. Now here's an interesting thing about my trades. So let's take a look at this one right now. You can see the price I entered at. It truly does not matter that you don't do or don't enter my trade at the exact same time. It's not price or time specific. Technically, all you really want to do is enter my trade before I close out of it and take profit. When's that going to be? I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. I let it play out. The one thing I don't do, which is a complete lie in the trading industry, is I place entries. They're mathematically optimized. You'll see. And I let them play out. I'm not like, well, here's a stop. Here's where I'm willing to take a loss, because I'm not. And here's where I'm willing to take profit, because I don't know what the price action is going to do. That's the funny thing I think about traders is my entries are spot on. My math is spot on. But the one thing or the couple things that I don't try to speculate on is how far it's going to go in my favor or how far it's going to go against me. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. You have to follow along. You have to see this play out. So if you look at what I'm going to do is you can see this trade here that we're in, just bouncing in and out of the direction that we want it to go, which is down, which is sell trade. I'm going to go ahead and jump into that NZD USD trade right now. And there it is. I've entered NZD USD sell a little early on this trade. But we'll play the game. Okay, you can see where I've entered here, and pretty much at, well, I shouldn't even say pretty much, certainly at a lesser lot size. And really, I didn't intend to do that. I intended to bid quite a bit more on that, but we're in it for $14 a pip, very low. The reason I'm doing that is I think of it this way. I feel like I'm entering NZD USD just a little bit early. I wanted to give another trade away here on the free channel. And ultimately, these are the only 2 trades I'm in. Eventually, what I'm going to do is obviously one running trade at a time here on the free YouTube channel, on the free Telegram channel, and then inside of the members only area, if you want more trades, I mean, we can place as many trades as you want to. Again, I'm the trading nomad, and I'm out here living my life and having some fun today, so I'm not trying to watch this too closely. In the end, you'll find that all of my trade management, meaning either getting into another trade, adding additional trades, scaling in, or taking profit, is really just, it's spot on. It just is. I have this thing down pat. So if you're following me, and even if you see this video a few hours later and take these trades, you're most likely going to do very well unless I have exited them at that point. And then, of course, I announce that pretty much the moment I exit. I announce that in the Telegram channel. So it's pretty easy to follow along. So that's it. That's what we're doing today. I would imagine that together these trades, once they close, because I've pulled my bid back a little bit, when I say that, a little bit more than I normally would have. Just, it's summer, you know, things tend to move a little bit slower. The market is more manipulated in the summer. It seems more heavily manipulated. I don't know. I can guess. All the bankers want to go on vacation. They're trying to set themselves up for bigger plays over a little bit of a longer period. So we may hold these trades maybe a little longer than you normally would at the first 5-6 months of the year and the last 3 months of the year. Anyway, getting way too far into this. Short video today, or as short as I possibly can. Come on over to thetradingnomad.com and just get access to the Telegram channel so you can follow these trades, up to the minute. So, yeah, pretty excited about what we're doing here. This is actually video number 2 in a series that I'm going to do consistently moving forward, because this is just what I'm already doing. This wasn't something developed or designed to sell you, but I certainly give people access to more trades if they want more trades. As simple as that. I don't teach Forex. You will learn by doing. You know, it's the same thing going to learn to fly an airplane. You can sit on the ground all you want. You can talk about physics and concepts, but until you actually go get in the airplane and fly with an instructor, I'll be your instructor, until you go get in the airplane and actually do it, which is actually take a trade. Because here's my point. I've said this, I'll say it a lot. It's a free app, MetaTrader. It's MetaTrader 5. Free broker account. That didn't cost anything. Username, password, email password. And then you just click and create a demo account. Then you log into it on your mobile device and you just start placing trades as if it was live money. And you practice and you're like, oh, wow, this is pretty easy. Of course, if you're in the group, you can private message me. You can say, hey, what about this? What about this? How do I do this? And I'll just guide you. But it's all out there. Again, I'm not teaching some strategy, and I'm not teaching Forex. I'm showing you my trades that I use to live a free lifestyle. Travel the country year round. I won't start traveling this year until, I'm going to wait until about November 1st. Right now it's July. Right. So that's it. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and come on over to thetradingnomad.com, get access to the trades, follow along, make some profits, learn something. It's a highly valuable skill, and guess what? It's completely passive. I'll see you in the next video.